If you are running an accounting company and wanted to try Google Ads, then you have to watch this video, because in this video I got a question regarding Google Ads for someone who has a client company. So let's move on to the question. And just to let you know, my name is Ali Raza. I'm a owner of a Google Ad certified partner company. Me myself is Google Ad certified, being a certified, and Facebook Meta Ad certified. So now let's move on to the question. So the question is over here is $250 a day, exact matches, zero impressions after a month. I could put my head through a wall. Hi guys, this as the title suggests, I'm beyond stumped. I'm running Google Ads for an accounting client. Keywords are essentially accountants, CTA, accountant, CTB, business accountant, etc. They are all exact matches. City has a monthly search volume of at least 1400 for a set keywords. CTB has 4400. I have tried every bidding strategy you can imagine: manual CPC with bids of up to $200, maximize conversions, target impression share, maximize clicks, all with $250 a day budget. Zero impressions. Well, actually zero impression over the month. The two things that are frustrating me are when I search Google for my keywords, other accountants and large aggregators to show up. Is it possible these guys are bidding an absolutely high amount to bring me out of the bid? I did try switching to open and face matches, nothing but junk. 90% of the search terms in the search term reports were hidden under the other categories. So I have no idea what they could be. Mind you, this was with a robust negative keyword list with 100 plus keywords. I'm completely at a loss. Google support has no idea either. Ad strength is excellent. Location targeting is in city A and city B. Landing pages aren't amazing but decent. Absolutely no audience targeting or device targeting is in play. Okay, so over here, which I feel right now is, you are having the problem of zero impressions. There are your ads are not being shown. So that is over here. So in my opinion, when your ads are not being shown, there are a few things which I can look around. So let's say I'm going to open one of my client's Google Ads account to show you some data. Okay, instead of opening, I'm opening one of our company accounts, so I can show you over here what I think should be done to sort out these kind of errors. For instance, if you are going into the campaigns tab over here, what I recommend you guys is to look for columns over here, select the modify columns and look for impression. Okay, it's in the ad group. I'm sorry, it's in the ad group then. So I'm now in the campaigns because it's not shown on the campaigns, or rather it's shown on the ad groups. So this was my mistake in letting you know. So what I'm gonna recommend you over here is go to the columns over here when you open and modify over here and look for impression share, and you can see over here search impression share. So turn this column on and you will see over here search lost impression share rank estimates how often your ad didn't show on Google sites due to your poor ad rank. Ad ranks determine your ad position. So I think that applying this will tell you that if your ad is not being shown due to poor rank, or okay, there is another way as well, but this cannot tell you that your ad is poor rank, but that is ad preview and diagnostic, which you can easily find through searching by over here ad preview and diagnostic. And in the ad preview and diagnostic, you can simply see if you try to run for your keyword, try to run a search term, enter your location, enter your device and select the share button, and this can tell you as well that if your ad is showing or not. So because you said that you are getting zero impressions or just one impression, it means that we need to figure out first that if your ad is not being shown due to poor impression. So if we are able to figure out that our ad is not shown due to poor ad rank, okay, then there are few things which I think you can use to optimize. Also, I do not know your account structure, so in my opinion I think that you need to optimize your account structure by shifting to STEG or SKG theme, where you have 1 to 3 keywords and a different ad. So in short words, it's organizing your ad into multiple ad groups to optimize your relevancy. So relevancy focus is going to be relevancy to improve. Also, I recommend adding ad assets. They also help in poor ad rank. So my another over here is to add different ad ranks, this add assets. This will also help in improving ad rank, plus we increase the CTR, plus this will also help in increasing the sales, because this improves the impact. If you add different assets, also known as extensions, on your ad, you can see over here, if I'm going to add different assets, you can see how turning my ad has become. And if I'm going to add this one, you can see over here that a simple ad is turned into very good with advertisement rating, phone number, styling extensions, location extension, pricing extensions, or promo. You can use either one, so this can change it. So my second opinion is going to add this. And I think that because you said that you are having a robust negative keyword list with 100 plus, so I may also think that a negative keyword may be conflicting. Okay, this can happen as well. So although I think that you have gone through this, but negative, try sorting out your negative keywords as well. Try optimizing your ad groups, try optimizing your ad assets, negative keywords, shift to maximize clicks for now. Also increase your CPC. I highly recommend you going to the double, and then once you get clicks, you can slowly reduce it. But God forbid, if nothing works over here, I may try adding different more ad keywords into broad match for some time. Okay, I know that this is not a good idea, but I do want to run the account, so then I can change it over. But even this doesn't work, then we have to reach out with the support with but then we will have ample of data and the proof of evidence, to sort out what over there as well. But if maybe, because I didn't have exact access to your account, so I do not think that there can be another way. But trying out your account to sort out can also tell me other possibilities due to why you are not able to show the ads or getting the impression. So I think these are the few of the things which you need to keep in mind. But rest, a detailed Google Ads audit can help you, can let me know on what are the main issues, which is why you're not getting impressions. But I think that these could be one of the error why your ads are not getting impressions. So I hope this answers your question. In case if you need Google Ads audit set up a management service, you can hire me and my team through the link in the description. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.